It was a matriculation day in Delsu. Everywhere was crowded with friends, relatives, and family to celebrate with their loved ones. And it was a privilege to have the Vice-Chancellor give them a speech.
Of those arms, no, we talk of those arms. Of those arms, no, this is Yacha.
VC and executive matching out.
So have you been seeing
Students are overwhelmed with joy, which led the mindset of so many that they now have their free will. Well, let's see how they spent their day.
Yes, man. I said we don't do school like this. Obama go to monitor me again. Party after party, night from night.
Yes, no.
I just see from my house. All the girls they go suffer. I said we don't enter.
We don't enter here. All the girls they go here now.
Back to back to
party after party. Who dey zuzu? Who dey serere? Who dey serere?
Who dey go?
Who dey zuzu? Who dey zuzu? Oh God.
So many have already set the kind of lifestyle they are going to portray on campus, forgetting that a man in everything has to put God first. Some even went ahead to the extent of carrying a DJ, and they call this as social life. As another set of students met again.
So you get admission too. Thank God, no, God has done it too. Hey, God has done it indeed. Now we can do our flex in a vein. You have started. Yes, you have started. Now I have all the time to do what I want. Nobody will be controlling us again. You know that kind of thing now? Now, say, I'll not even sleep in my hostel again. Nobody will be catching me. I can go anywhere I want to.
Vichy, you didn't say to come and flex, you said to come and gain good results.
And that's what school is all about before now. Is it only good results? We'll still do our
Make your parents proud.
Of course, I will make my parents proud, I beg. You see, that's part of schooling, I beg. My sister, that's part of schooling, I tell you.
By the way, they will not catch you, they're training you.
Hey, you call that training? Anyway, let's leave this lecture, but let's go celebrate our matriculation day.
This was how so many students has been deceived on campus. Many fell into cultism, prostitution, illegal ways to making money, and they neglected the way of God. Here comes a brother who has been in the system to unveil the mysteries of campus to his younger brother who just got admitted into Delsu.
This boy is not picking up. Oh, pick up now. I want to see my brother. Finally. Okay. I get to see you now. I get to see you. Please, can you tell me where you are so that I will come and locate you? Yeah, because I'm so happy. Everywhere is moving and I'm just going to see you. I'm so happy. Like, yeah. Okay. Okay, you are coming now. Okay, where should I be going straight or backward? Okay, I'm the one building that is yellow, very fine, everywhere is fine. Yeah, I'm the one place. So come and meet me there. Alright, alright, I'll be expecting you.
He kept looking for his brother until he finally met him, which led to a profitable advice, telling him about the mystery of campus, how to live on campus, so you can have a good results and reputation as a Christian.
Wow. Okay, my brother, let me tell you, this place is very noisy. Let's look for a quiet place. I want to talk to you. You understand? You know, that time when I was doing my trip, this is how daddy talked to me. They were listening to me. So I want to talk to you. Let's go and my brother. We really need to be mindful. You see everywhere, look at it everywhere. People are be dressing. They will forget their source. They will forget where they came from. Just look at me. I'm a medical doctor now by the grace of God. And you really need to make us proud. You know, when Papa wanted to die, when I was doing my matriculation 10 years ago, Papa advised me in this same auditorium 101. He advised me also, and I was transformed. I had to put effort on my studies. All this area about me, you need to put them off. Because the Bible says you'll be addressed the way you are dressed. You understand? So you have to cut this your hair short. You have to join a Christian organization. There is a fellowship that when I was in school, I attended. It is called Scripture Union Campus Fellowship. That fellowship is it's a domination, whether you are a Christian, you are Redeemed, you are a Anglican, you are a Catholic. We go there and we study the word of God together. We come out with our first class. You understand? So I really want you to join this fellowship. And there was even a drama crew I joined also. It's called Messengers of Grace.
Yes.
That drama crew, they give us insight on how to live on campus. You understand? So I would like you to, I will not be here with you. That's life about campus.
Yes.
I will not be here with you. So I would like you to locate Scripture in your campus fellowship and join them. Celebrities are all over the school, things are all over, ceremonies and all of that, but we don't really focus on that. All we focus on is our book, our God, and our spiritual life. You understand? So I really want you to join the Scripture in your campus fellowship and also join our Messengers of Grace movies. You understand? So that you will become a first class like me. So that after everything, you'll be able to train Stephanie, we're able to train God's life, and every of the juniors that are still behind. So please, all this advice I'm giving you, I really want you to take them in your heart. You understand? So that God will be proud of us all.
I'll happily to make you proud. I will do everything in my power to make you proud. I will not make you regret by sending me to school. I just pray God help me keep on our faith. So
Amen. I will be so proud of you. Papa will be so proud of you wherever he is. And even God Almighty will be proud of you that my son came to campus and frustrated him. So God will help you in Jesus' name.
thank you so much.
And this was how this brother was able to live a good life on campus. He had a good result, a good name and reputation, and stood for God. This is a perfect step we all as a student needs to follow. Through a piece of advice his elder brother gave him, you can now see that a good name is better than riches.